Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to use one of their little burlap canvases in 5x7, and I'm also going to be using one of the Dollar Tree 5x7 frames. They have some really cute ones. This one is like a distressed white, which I really love. I put a little hot glue on the corners to reinforce because I know the canvases fit in these, but they fit snug, especially these burlap ones. Now what I want to do is I want to do a little macrame heart on the burlap, and we're going for a very neutral color scheme for this Valentine Day decor. I was going for coastal, but this would really go for just about anything where you kind of want more neutral colors. So I'm going to start here, right here on the bottom of the heart. I just used one of the wood hearts from Dollar Tree to sketch that out with a paint pen. So I would have the perfect shape of a heart to start with. And just like you're like going in a circle with this, I'm going to do the same thing, but do it in a heart shape. So I'm just using a thin bead of hot glue on the canvas and just laying the macrame cord right there. I'm trying not to use too much hot glue because I don't want hot glue to get on the surface of the macrame cord because it can kind of discolor it a little bit and not look that great. I just have to kind of do like one half of the heart at a time because I don't want to make sure that my hot glue doesn't set up. And I just keep following that heart path until I get to the very center. So very similar to doing like a spiral, just a few more little tricks here when you're getting to this part. I used a little cake decorating tool. I got that from Dollar Tree as well. And I used that to kind of help guide me until I can get it completely full. I'm going to finish it off with a dot of hot glue right here in the middle. And we have this really cute little string heart on here now that I think is going to look so cute in that Dollar Tree frame. Now, some of the Dollar Tree frames are actually wood. This one is kind of more of a faux wood, and it's not quite as strong here on the corners, and that's one reason why I reinforced it. I also put a little hot glue on the inside edges, and I'm replacing the glass in the frame with the burlap canvas. If you find these burlap canvases, pick them up. They have them in 5x7 and 8x10. I want mine to stand up, and so it's too thick now, so I just used hot glue to attach the back of the frame onto the back of the canvas, and now it will stand up on its own. It's already distressed perfectly on the frame, which I love, and I think that gives it a really fun, like coastal farmhouse vibe, but again, very cute for like a neutral Valentine's Day decor. If you would like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, you'll have to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. I have tons of Valentine's DIYs over there, and I would love to see you over there. Okay, until next time, happy crafting.